Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I want to show you how you install the Märklin Station 1 and program them. First you need such a connecting rail, which you then connect with this cable. If the cable doesn't go in, you either have the wrong track or you need to turn the cable a few times and try again. Next you need a transformer and plug the cable. Wait, I was searching the cable here. And plug the cable into the track as well. So now the transformer only needs power and voila, it works. Come to programming. To program a locomotive you have to press escape once and turn the wheel until it says new log and press the red button. Turn again until you get address here and press again the red button. Then you have to enter the locomotive address. I make like 20 and press the red button, and with the wheel select the locomotive symbol and I make this, and that's it. So now we give the locomotive a name. To do this we go to escape, change log and name, and now you can give your log a name. I make this for me. Instagram pictures only making me jealous. Can we take a trip to where the people speak Spanish? Take me to a place where all our problems vanish, where we can get a taste of that summertime. It's full, I can't not more. I want to subscribe my channel, and you can do it. You can help me with this so much, and yes, but okay. And now you can see your name from the log. So when you want to give your locomotive a new or other address, then you go to escape, change log, address, and now you can make a new address, for example 35. It works, but here the number of this change not, because it's the name of the log, and where when you want to change the name you have it seen forward. And when you want to delete the locomotive, then you go to escape and to delete locomotive, and then you push the red button and delete. And when you have more than one log and you want to drive another log, then you go to OK, turn the wheel. If you have the right log, then you push the red wheel and you have it. When you want to drive, then you must turn the red wheel and the log are drive. Sometimes when it comes a short circuit, then the Märklin Station marks an emergency off. Then it comes this symbol here. Then you must push the stop button. Then it's gone. When it's don't go, then you must push the locomotive a little bit and push again the stop button. When you want that the locomotive turns light on, then you must push this button. When it don't makes the light on, then the locomotive has not electricity, or the light inside the log is dead. Some locomotive has features, for example sound. Then you must click one of these 8 buttons. Here, which symbol is here? When, for example, here symbol is, then you must push this button and the locomotive make this feature. And that's it again for today. I hope you like it. And if I haven't shown something you want to know, then write in the comments. Then I can make another video about. Bye!